Question number 1. There is a problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures given. In such questions, we need to first carefully see the problem figure and watch and see each of the minute designs carefully. What we see, the main frame, the main outer design is a perfect swastika. So quickly now we can go to the answer figures and see which of the answer figures has got similar or same swastika design. We may find certain answer figures or certain options which doesn't have similar swastika figures, so we can avoid such answers, and these answers can never be the perfect answers. So let's see in answer figure 1 whether the swastika design is same. Oh, it is exactly same. That is okay. Let's check in option 2. It is not same. See, this would start like this and come down, but it is not, it is other way around. So option 2 is not the answer. Option 3, the swastika design, this arm is fine, but this arm is not proper, can't be answer. Let's check in option 4. In option 4, the swastika design is not the same. So what option we have now is option 1 only, and we need not to go further because we found the answer in the first attempt itself. So answer for question number 1 is 1. Now let's go to question number 2. In question number 2, there is one problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures given. We see the outside design is a rectangular shape. 4 arms are there. It is same with all the 4 answer figures, so we can't find answer on the basis of outer design. So let's see the inside designs carefully. Let's check the first line, which is from this corner going here. So let's check about this line. This line is there in the first option, it is there. In the second option, this line is there. In the third option, this line is there. In the fourth option, also this line is there. So we can't make differentiation. Let's check for this line. Let's check for this line. This line is, this line should reach here, but it is in the corner, so this can't be the answer. Now this line is totally missing in this, so we're talking about this line. This line is not there in this option, so gone case. In the next option 3, this line from here to here, it is same, so this could be the answer. Next, in the next option, option 4, from here till here, this line should reach here, it is reaching in the corner, so this can't be the answer. So this line should actually come here, because in this problem figure it is here. So we have rejected option 1, we have rejected option 2, we have rejected option 4. Now what option do we have? Option 3. So this is going to be the answer. So next question, question number 3, problem figure. Let's study the problem figure carefully. What is there in the problem figure is a triangle. So our answer figure should have a triangle. Here triangle is there, here triangle is there. In option 3 also triangle is there. Option 4 is also triangle, so we can't find the difference here. So let's study the inside designs carefully. We see here is that there is a circle, so there should be a circle in answer figure, we see that there is a circle in all the all the answers, so we can't make any difference. We need to study further. Can we check about these two sides, two lines which are meeting the circle? So this line is, these two lines are here available, they are not, these lines are not available here, so this can't be the answer. Option 3, these two lines are there, this could be the answer. Option 4, these lines are there, so this could be the answer. Now let's check further. Let's check about these two lines, the lines which are starting from, the line which is starting from this corner, reaching here and meeting the other line at the center of the circle, and the other line is also going to the other corner. So in this it is there, in the option 1 it is there. Option 2 already we had rejected on the other basis. In option 3 these lines are there, so this could be the answer. In option 4 these lines are there, so this also could be the answer. So we could not make any differentiation on the basis of this. Let's check further. There is a line which is originating from middle of this side and then going through the center of the circle and reaching at the other end, and in this process it is actually intersecting the point of contact of these two lines. So this line should be straight line like this, complete. Let's check whether this line is available here in option 1. From here it's exactly passing and reaching here, so this is exactly available here. Option 2 already we had written earlier. Option 3, this line is not complete, actually this is only some portion of this line is there, incomplete line is there, so this rejected. Option 4, this line is not full, so it is also rejected. So what is left is option 1. So option 1 is the guaranteed answer for option question number 3. So what we can see in such questions is we need to see the problem figure carefully and first see the framework or structure of the design, and going forward we can see the small minute designs which are put in the problem figure and start comparing each of the minute or small design. So on the basis of matching of some parts, certain part of the problem figure with the answer figures, we can quickly start eliminating the options and we can reach to the conclusion, the final answer, which is going to be the accurate answer for the question. Question 4. There is a problem figure given and there are 4 options given as answer figures. One interesting fact about solving similar figure problems is that there are many techniques or there are many ways to solve a problem. So let's see how many ways are there to solve such problems. In problem figure question number 4, we see the outer design is a square, so we should find a square outer design. We find that square design is similar in all the answer figures. Further, what we notice here is there is a star, this star, this star should be present. Let's check presence of this star. In the option 1 it is there, option 2 it is not there, we can reject option 2. In option 3 this star is again missing, not there, so we can reject this option. In option 4, this star is there, so we can accept this answer for the time being. So option 1, option 4 could be the answer, and we are able to successfully reject two of the answers. Now we need to check further. We can see there's another star we can see. I'm talking about this star. This star. Let's check about this star here. In option 1 it is there. It is starting from here, here, going here, and then here. This star is there. Let's check in option 4 now, because option 2, 3 already we rejected. In option 4, this star is there. This star is there. So now we can't find any difference. Okay, let's make more observations here. We find that in the problem figure, inside the problem figure, in the X center, there is space which is vacant. There's no line, there's a space. Diamond shape is there in the center, and inside of it there's no line or design. So let's check. Option 2, 3 we had rejected. Option 1 and 4 was left out. In option 1 we see that the diamond shape design is there, inside which, however, here there is a line. So this can't be the answer. What we are left with, option 4 only. So this is one of the ways in which we can solve this problem. Let's find another way of solving this problem. In the first look itself, in the first observation itself, we find that at the center of the problem figure there is a diamond shape, and inside which is vacant. There's no line drawn inside, no design is there. So let's check for the diamond shape, and inside which there should be no design or line. In the first option there is a design of diamond shape, but inside of which it is not vacant, there's a line. So this can't be the answer. In option 2 there's no formation of diamond, is not formed, so this could not be the answer. In option 3 the diamond shape formation is there, but there is a vertical line drawn, can't be the answer. What is left is option 4 only, and that is going to be the answer. So this is another technique through which we can reach out to the exact answer. So there are many ways in which we can approach solution to these questions. So let's go to the next question. In the next question, there is a problem figure given. It is a four-sided design. Let's check whether all the options given has got similar outer design. In the first option the outer design is same, the second option the outer design is same, in the third option the outer design is same, and similarly fourth design the outer design is same. So we can't make any differentiation. Let's check further. From this center there is a line here. From this corner there is another line. From this corner there is another line, and from this corner another line. So let's check about presence of these lines. In option 1 this line 1, second line is also there, third and fourth, so this is fine. In the second option this line is there, here also there, here also, this is also perfectly fine. In third option this line is there, this is there, third is there, fourth is there, this is fine. In the next option also the four lines are available, so we can't make any differentiation. Now let's check further. Next what we see here is there is a circle in the center, and inside the circle there is a triangle, inside the triangle there is a dot. So let's check that in each of the answer. In option 1, circle is there, yes, circle is there. Inside that there is a triangle, yes, there is a dot inside the triangle in one of the corner, yeah, it is there, perfectly fine. In option 2, circle is there, circle is there. Inside triangle is there, dot is there, dot is not there, so this is rejected. Option 3, circle is there, yes, circle is there. Inside the triangle is there, triangle is there. There is a dot, dot is there, so we can for the time being accept this. Next, option 4, there is a circle, circle is there. There's a triangle, triangle is there. Inside the triangle, dot is there, dot is missing. So now we are left with option 1 and option 3. Okay, now let's study further. So we need to find answer between first and 3. Between first and 3 should be the either 1 or 3, because 2 and 4 we have rejected. So let's check. Let's study the problem figure again. We find that in the problem figure there is a circle inside which there is a triangle and dot is there, except that we see that this line from the corner is not completely passing through the circle. This line starting from here, from left side going towards right side, it's stopping at this point at the circle. From the right side, from right corner, this line is starting and stopping here. It is not passing through the circle. Let's check in option 1 about this. This line is going here and stopping at this circle here, and similarly here also from the right corner going towards the left side and stopping here. So this is fine. Let's check about this in option 4. In option 4, oh sorry, in option 3. In option 3, this line is starting from here correctly, okay, but it is not stopping here. It is exactly passing further. It is crossing this outer line of the circle. This is actually going inside, so this can't be the answer. So what is left is, so when third option is rejected, we are left with only option 1. Option 2 and 4 we had already rejected earlier. So answer for question number 5 is 1. Now let's go to question number 6. In question number 6, the outer design is a square which is common in all the options. Let's study the smaller designs in the problem figure. We find here is that there is a rectangle formation here. So let's check whether this rectangle is available in the options. In the first option, this rectangle, this line should be here to form this similar kind of rectangle similar to this. It is not here, so because this line is here, it is missing, so we rejected this. In option 2, yeah, triangle is there, so we can temporarily accept this. In option 3, this triangle is there, we can accept it. In option 4, this triangle is missing, so we reject this. Now we are left with 2 and 3. 1 and 4 we have rejected, so 1 and 4 rejected. 2 and 3 can be the answer. So let's check further. So further we check for this shape. Check for this shape. Let's go to option 2, because now we have to concentrate on option 2 and 3 only. 1 4 is gone already. In option 2 we see for this shape. So we're talking about this shape. This shape. In option 2, this shape is not exactly same, because it should be this way. So this line is missing, so this is not the same shape, so we reject this option 2. What we are left, when we reject option 2, what we are left with is option 3 only, and that is going to be our answer. Question number 7. A problem figure is given and 4 options given as answer figures. So let's check the problem figure carefully. We can see that it is a branch like structure. It has got a branch, and out of which there are designs which are emerging. We see one, the uppermost design is this shape. Let's check for exactly this shape. In option 1 it is there, so we're talking about only this part now, only talking about this part. It is here in second option also. In third option it is there, but it is actually spread out, so this rejected. In option 4 it is similar, so with first observation we are able to reject only option 3. Let's check further. So we have rejected option 3 so far. Let's check further. We can see on the left side, including this is first, second, third, 3 branches on the left side. Let's check here. 1 2 3, here also 3, here also 3, here 3, and in this option 4 also 3. So we can't differentiate. Let's check on the right side, including this 1 2 3 4 5, 5 branches in problem figure. In option 1, 1 2 3 4 5. In option 2, 1 2 3 4 5, again 5. In option 3, 1 2 3 4, only 4. Anyway, option 3 already we are rejected, so no need to do it again. In option 4, 1 2 3 4 5, again 5 branches are there, so we can't find a difference so far on what we have done, so we are able to reject only option 3. Let's check further. In the left side in the problem figure, see the gap or the direction of these two branches here. So these, let's study this first. This branch. So this branch, see the angle of this branch. Here this angle is different, so this can't be the answer because you're talking about this branch here. In the next option, the angle is okay. Third we had already rejected. Let's go to fourth. In the fourth, the angle is not proper. We're talking about angle of this branch only, and we're comparing this angle with the branch which is here. Okay, so now we have rejected option 3, we have rejected option 5, we have rejected option 1 also. Okay, now we are only left with option 2, which is going to be the answer. So question number 7 has got answer, which is option 2. Now let's go to the next problem. Next question, question number 8. There's a E alphabet kind of shape is there in the problem figure. So we need to check quickly whether all the options has got E kind of shape. In option 1 it's there E kind of shape, in option 2 also, in option 3 and option 4 also it is there, so we can't make any difference. So let's carefully check. Let's check about this block. and inside of which there is a line with certain angle. Let's check that. Okay, in let's check in each of the options. In option, we are talking about this line, so in option 1, and let's see the nature of this line. This line is starting from here and going exactly in the corner. In option 1, this line is starting from here, but it is not exactly going to the corner, so this is rejected. In option 2, this is going to the corner, this is fine. In option 3, it is actually not there. Option 3 rejected. In option 4, it is there, so option 4 could be the answer. So now we have rejected option 1 and option 3. 1 3 rejected, so option 2 or option 4 could be the answer. Let's further check option 2 and 4. We can see here in the downward block, this from this corner to this line here, there is a line. So let's check for this portion of the problem figure. So we have to only see now in option 2 and 4. 1 and 3 already rejected. So option 2, we see from this corner till here, the line is there. This line is there, and in option 4 also this line is there. So we can't make any difference. Let's check further. In option, in the problem figure, in this block there's only one line here. Only this line is there. From here to here there is no other line, no design. So but in option 2 we can see this line is there. So this line is there, this can't be the answer because of presence of this line. This line is not there here, so rejected. Option 2 is rejected. Now we are left with option only 4, and answer for question number 8 should be 4 only. So this is going to be the answer for our question number 8. Let's move on to the next question. In question number 9, we have a problem figure and there are 4 options given. We see that there are arrows mentioned in the problem figure. So let's study the arrows. We can pick from anywhere and start comparing with answer figures so that we can reject some of the options. So let's study first this arrow. We're talking about this arrow, which is this one. So in this arrow, at the end here there is a small circle, and at the other side there is arrow mark. So let's check for this. We're talking about this arrow. Let's check this. Here it is not the same because in this corner, down in the right, extreme right side, this should be a circle and this should be a tip or tip of the arrow. It is not there, it is other way around, so this is rejected straight away. Option 1 is gone. Option 2, from here it is correct, and from here also correct, so on this basis this is okay, we can leave this. Option 3, this is okay because here is circle and here is tip of arrow. Option 4 is not proper because here it is other way around, here it should be circle and here should be arrow mark, it is other way around. So we are able to reject 1 and 4 options carefully, so that is gone. Now we are left with option number 2 and option number 3. So let's study one more arrow. See this, we are talking about this arrow which is intersecting or crossing this arrow, other arrow. So on the upper right corner there is a circle here, and here is the tip of the arrow. So let's check in option 2 because we are left with option 2 and 3 only. So let's first check in option 2. In option 2, on the upper side here it is perfectly fine. We have a circle because here was circle and here also circle. On the other end of the arrow there is a tip of the arrow, here also same. So this is fine. Let's check the same thing in option 3. In option 3, here circle and here is tip of the arrow, that is also fine. That means we are not able to find any answer so far. Let's go further. Let's check about directions of other arrows. Let's see this arrow. The first arrow, which is horizontal, is directing towards right side. Let's check in option 2 first. In option 2 this is perfectly fine. In option 3 also fine. So that is also fine. Let's check the next arrow, which is again a similar arrow which is pointing towards right side. Let's check in the option 2. This is same. In option 3 also same, so we can't find any difference. Now let's check option let's check the next arrow, which has got this shape. Okay, on the right end it is, there's no arrow mark, or there's no dot or circle, it is just plain. So let's check in option 2. The third arrow is different, so we are talking about this arrow. This arrow is not there in problem figure because third arrow is different shape. So third arrow is this shape, here it is arrow shape. So option 2 is rejected here, and we are left with option 3 only. So definite answer for question number 9 is option 3 only. Let's go to question number 10. In question number 10, there is a problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures given. We need to find which answer figure is exactly similar to problem figure. When we see at the center of the problem figure, we find that there is a rectangle. Let's check the rectangle's presence in answer figures. Let's go to answer figure 1. This is the center and we don't find any rectangle similar to problem figure 1, so this is not the answer. Let's go to option 2. In option 2, at the center there is no rectangle, so this can't be the answer. Let's move on to answer 3. At the center there is a rectangle formation exactly similar to the problem figure given, so this could be the answer. Let's check the option 4. In option 4, at the center there is a square being formed rather than a rectangle, and there is a line also cross at the center, diagonally put in the square, so this can't be the answer. So answer for question number 10 is 3. Let's go to the next question. In question number 11, there is a problem figure given and there are 4 options given. Let's check the problem figure carefully. We find that there are 2 lines, this line and one more line which is parallel to the same line. Both are vertical lines, and there are certain lines joining the 2 lines which are put horizontally. Let's check the first line. The first line exactly joins the two lines, so that is one. Second line is little bigger. Third line is exactly same as first one, and the fourth line is exactly same to the second one. So one line is smaller, the other one is bigger, and then next line is smaller, the other one is bigger, and the next line is smaller. So in totality 1 2 3 4 5 lines are there which are horizontal, and 2 lines are which are vertical. So let's check the number of lines in answer figures. In answer figure 1, How many lines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lines are there which are horizontal and 2 lines are vertical. So in problem figure there are 5 lines. In option 1 only 4 lines are there. This can't be the answer. Let's go to the next problem figure. How many horizontal lines are there? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Only 4 are there. In the problem figure there are 5 lines. So this can't be the answer again. Go to option 3. How many lines are there which are horizontal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 lines which are, and there are 2 lines which are vertical. So this is exactly looking like option, looking like the problem figure. Let's check again. The first line is smaller, fine. Second line is bigger. The third line is smaller. The fourth line is bigger, and fifth line is smaller. So this is exactly same as the problem figure. And just for the sake of confirmation, let's check the next option as well. How many lines which are horizontal? 1, 2, 3. Only 4 lines are there and 2 lines are vertical. So this also again can't be the answer. So confirmed answer for question number 11 is 3. Let's go to the next question. In the next question, question number 11, there is a design given. At the center of design there are 1, 2, 3 lines are there which are horizontal, and there are 2 lines inside the design, 1 and 2, which are touching one of the upper line and one of the lower line. So let's check about this pattern in case of other uh, answer figures given. In the first answer figure, let's check the 3 lines which are at the center and which are parallel to each other, horizontally placed. First, second, third, this is fine. Let's check the 2 lines, 1, 2, these are also perfectly fine. So this is okay in that context. Let's check the next option. The next option, 1, 2, 3 lines are there, and there are 2 lines, but here the 2 lines are one line, the line which is touching the upper line is all right, but the line which is touching the lower line is actually crossing it and moving towards the second, moving to the second or middle line. So this portion is a problematic or different design that has come. So this can't be the answer. So let's check option 3. This line is perfectly fine. This line is also all right, and third line. But here the lower line, this line touching the lower line is perfectly okay, but here this line which is touching the upper line is actually again extended to next line, which is not the case in case of problem figure. So here this also ruled out. Now let's check the next option. In the next option there are 3 lines in the center, and let's check about the 2 lines which are joining upper line and lower line. Here this is the line which is joining upper, but it is actually extended. Again the line which is lower, touching the lower line, is also extended, but this is not the case in problem figure. So this also rule is ruled out as an answer. So confirmed answer for question number 12 is 1, option 1. Question number 13, there is a problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures given. We need to find which answer figure is exactly similar to the problem figure. So let's understand various parts of the problem figure. We see that there is a design here which is this way. Let's check this design whether present in any of the answer figures. In answer figure 1, this design is exactly same. Second figure design is same. Third figure design is same. But in fourth figure, the design is not the same. So fourth cannot be the answer. Let's check another design. At the top, we can see a cylindrical shape. In the option 1, the shape is not cylindrical, it is a rectangular shape. So this cannot be the answer. In the next option, the shape is cylindrical at the top. This is okay. In the next option, the shape is cylindrical. This is okay. Option 4, we already have eliminated in the first observation. So this cannot be the answer. So now first and fourth options are ruled out. Now let's check from another angle. Let's check the bottom design. One line straight here, then line up, then another parallel line, small line, and then this line. Let's check about this design, this particular design. In option 2, this design is not there because at the bottom the line is not straight. So option 2 cannot be the answer. Now we are left with only one choice. That is option 3. So option 3 is the answer for question number 13. Let's go to the next question. In the next question, question number 14, there is a design given and there are 4 options given as answer figures. Let's check the problem figure design carefully. There are 2 cylindrical figures which are crossing each other perpendicularly. Let's check the first design. In the first design, which is a vertical design, at the top there is a square. So let's check whether this design is present in any of the problem figure. In option 1, this is there, so this design is there. So in the next option also this design is there at the top. In the next option 3, this design is there, but in fourth option this design is different, it is not there. Rather than a square, they have given a triangle, so option 4 cannot be the answer. Now let's check another design. At the bottom of this vertical design, we can see there is a triangle. So let's find if triangle is there in problem figures, in answer figures. In answer figure 1, this design is a diamond shape, but in problem figure it is a triangular shape, so this cannot be the answer, this is ruled out. In the next problem figure, next answer figure, let's check at the bottom. At the bottom there should be a triangle, but here it is a circle, so this cannot be the answer. Now we are left with only one option, that is option 3, and at option 3 we also just check that at the bottom it is a triangle. So confirmed answer for question number 14 is 3. Let's go to the next question. In question number 15, there are squares given which are placed one inside the other. Let's count how many squares are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 squares are there. So let's check how many squares are there in each of the options. In option 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares are there. In option 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 squares and 1 circle is there, so this cannot be the answer. Option 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 squares are complete, whereas 1 square is incomplete. Option 5, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 squares are complete, 1 square is the square at the center is incomplete. So only 4 squares. So we have answer which is 1, which is matching with the problem figure. Question number 16. There is a problem figure given and there are four answer figures given. We need to find which answer figure is exactly same as the problem figure. We see that the problem design is like a flower shape. At the center of which there is a circle and inside the circle there is no design. So let's check the presence of circle in each of the answer figures. In answer figure 1 the circle is there inside which there is nothing, so this is fine. In answer figure 2 there is a circle inside which there is no design, so this is also fine. In case of option 3 there is a circle at the center and inside there is no design, this is also fine. But in case of option 4 there is a circle but inside which there is a design, so this cannot be the answer. So answer 4 is ruled out. Now let's check from some other perspective. We see here there are certain lines drawn at the outer side of the flower. This, how many lines are there? One line, two, three, four, five. Total 5 lines are there. So let's check how many lines are there in each of the answer figures. In answer figure 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 lines are there. This cannot be the answer. In option in answer figure 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 lines given, so this could be potentially the answer. In next option, option 3, 1, 2, 3, there are 4 lines, so this can never be the answer because we require 5 lines. So this also ruled out. Option 1 was already ruled out because it was not the same, number of lines were more. So option 1 is ruled out. Option 4 is also ruled out. Let's check. And option 3 also ruled out. So what is left is option 2 only. Option 2 is the answer. Let's go to the next question. In question number 17, there is a problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures given. We need to see which answer figure is matching with the given problem figure. We see at the bottom there are 2 triangles and one side of the triangle here is actually about to meet the other triangle here. So we need to check whether 2 triangles are there put in the same way and whether the triangles are about to touch each other here. So let's check in case of answer figure 1. Triangle is there, there is another triangle, but the 2 sides of the triangles are not about to touch each other, but there's a gap, so this cannot be the answer. Let's check in the second options. In second option these 2 triangles are missing, some other design is there, so this also cannot be the answer. In the next option there are 2 triangles and the triangles are also exactly the same, so this could be the answer. In the next option, option 4, the triangles are there and they are put in the same way as the problem figure, so this also could be the answer. Now we know that 1 and 2 options can never be the answer. So let's check about the 3 and 4 again by seeing the problem figure again. In the problem figure at the top we can see that there is a rectangular shape inside which there is a dot on the corner here. On the opposite corner down here there's another dot, and in the right side of or in the middle of these 2 dots there is a cross sign. So we need to see now in case of option 3 and 4 only, because option 1 and 2 already ruled out. So in option 3 we can see, in option 3 this dot is there, another dot is there, in the middle So a cross sign is missing, but a plus sign has been given instead of a cross sign, so this could cannot be the answer. We are left with only one option, which is option 4. Option 4 is going to be the answer for question number 17. Let's go to the question number 18. In the question number 18, there is a basic shape given which has got 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 outer sides. Okay, let's see other designs carefully. We have a design here. Let's check if the same design is available in answers. In answer figure 1, the design is okay, it is similar design. In the next option, the design is again similar to the problem figure here, so this is also okay. The next option, the design here is different, it is not the same, so option 3 is ruled out. Option 4, the design is same as the problem figure, so this is okay. So we are able to only find out that option 3 cannot be the answer now. Now let's see some more designs here. We can see here at the outer side there is a line drawn this way. Let's see in option 1, this design is same, okay, that means this is okay. In case of option 2, this design is same, so this is also okay. In case of option 4, this design is missing, so now option 4 is also ruled out. So option 3 and option 4 are ruled out for possible answer. Now we are left with question number 1 and question number 2. Let's see some more designs inside. Here we can see this S, English alphabet S like a design is there. Let's check this design in 1 and 2. In 1, this is not drawn in the same way, so this cannot be the answer. Option 1 cannot be the answer. Now we are left with only one option, option 2. This is going to be the answer. Just for the sake of confirmation, we can check this S looking like design here is exactly same, so confirm that question number 2 is the only answer. Question number 22, there is a problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures given. We need to find which of the answer figures is exactly similar to the given problem figure. So in question number 22, let's carefully watch the problem figure. We see that problem figure is exactly like a swastik sign. So let's see which of the answer figures is looking the similar. Let's go to the answer figure 1. Let's check this arm first. This should start from this side and then go down and then go to left side, but this is actually starting from the other side, so this can't be the answer. In the second option, again it should start from this side to this side and then it should go to that side in the end. It is not in the same structure, so this can't be the answer. In the next option, it is actually starting in the similar manner as the problem figure, so this could be the answer. Let's go to the next option. We find that this line is starting from here going down in the similar way, but it is taking a right turn in the end. It should take a left turn, so this is a wrong design compared to the problem figure, so this can't be the answer. Now what option we have now? Only option 3, and which is the answer. Let's go to the question number 23. There is a problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures given. We need to find which of the answer figure is exactly same as the problem figure. Let's check properly what are the parts in problem figure. We see that there is a circle here and there is a cross inside the circle. So first part of the problem figure is a circle inside which there is a cross. Second figure is again a circle and there is a plus sign inside that, and there is an arc which is starting from this side going towards the right side along with the circle till half, and then turning towards the other circle and then ending here. So let's check the first circle exactly where it is available in which of the answer figures. Let's straight away go to the answer figure 1. Let's check the first picture. In the problem figure this is circle, here also circle. In the problem figure here it is a cross inside, here also it is cross inside, so this is fine. Let's check in the second option. In the second option this design is different, so this cannot be the answer. In option 3 this circle here contains a plus sign, whereas in the problem figure it is a cross sign, so this can't be the answer. Let's check in the next uh, answer. In the next answer this shape is again looks like a cross, so this could be an answer. This could be an answer, but here what we can say is option 2 and option 3 cannot be the answer. Let's check once more. The second figure in the problem figure, the second design is a circle inside which there is a plus sign. So let's check. In case of option 1 the second figure is circle but inside that there is a cross, it should be plus sign, so answer 1 can never be the answer. So now what we are left with only option number 4. So clearly answer for question number 23 is 4. Let's go to the question number 24. There is a problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures given. We need to find which of the answer figure is exactly same as the problem figure. Let's carefully see the design of the problem figure. We see that there is a square which has been divided into 2 parts with the help of 2 lines intersecting each other. So we can say this on outer design is nothing but a square, this square inside which there is a line from this corner to this corner, this corner to this corner, and there is a another line from this line which is here going here. So let's check for the outer design. Outer design is available in option 1, in option 2, option 3 and option 4. Let's check the inside design. Can we see this line which is from this corner to this corner, this line? Is it available in option 1? Yeah, it is available, so this could be the answer. In second option is it available? Yes, it is available. In option 3 it is available? Yes. In option 4 also it is available? Yes, it is available. Okay, now let's check for this line from this corner to this corner. In option 1 this line from this corner to this corner is there? Yes, it is there. In option 2 from this corner to this corner line is there? Yes, it is there. In option 3 from this corner to this corner line is there? Yes, it is there. In option 4 from this corner to this corner line is there? Yes, it is there. So we don't know which is the answer. Let's check the more let's check for more designs. Let's check for this design which is from this corner left hand side from bottom this corner to this line here. Let's check for this design. Let's check for this design. In option 1, yes, it is there, so this is fine. In option 2, this is there, yes, it is there, this is also looking fine. Option 3, it is not there. So from here till here it should go this side, it is not here. In option 4, is it there? No, it should be somewhere here. From here to here it is not there, so this can't be the answer. Option 3 and option 4 are not possible for the answer, so we'll check for option 1 and 2 again. Let's check for this design, which is starting from this right hand side bottom corner and it goes up to here. Is it available here? Yes, it is there, so option 1 looks like the answer. Let's check in option 2 as well. In option 2, is it there? No, it is not there. It should have been here, going like this, but it is not there. So now option 2, 3, 4, option 2 also ruled out. So what option is left with us? Only option 1. So option 1 is the confirmed answer for question number 24. Question number 25. There is a problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures given. One of the answers is exactly similar to the problem figure. So let's find which is the answer figure which is similar to the problem figure. Let's check the problem figure carefully. We find that the outer design is a circle which is divided into two parts, first with the help of a line which is a horizontal line. The other line is another line which is starting from this point reaching till here, and on the upper side of the circle here there is a black dot, on the downside here there is a small circle. So let's check carefully option 1 whether there is a outer design is made of circle. Yes, circle is there. Whether this line is present, yes, this line is also present. Whether this line is present, is this line is also there. Whether the upper design is a black dot, no, it is a circle. And the other design should be a circle, but it is here is a dot, so this cannot be the answer. Let's check in the next design whether this line is present, the horizontal line. No, it is not there, so this can't be the answer. In the next option, whether this horizontal line is there. No, it is not there, this can't be the answer. In the next option, let's check in option 4 whether this horizontal line is there. Yes, it is there, so this could be the answer. Since we already rejected option 1, option 2, option 3, what option is left is only option 4, and that is the answer for question number 25. Let's go to the next question. In the next question again there is a problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures given. One of the answers figure is similar to the problem figure. So let's first carefully see the problem figure. We find that there is a design. This is the design. We can see another line, the line going this side, the other line, and there is a line joining here. So whether this outer design is available in answer figures, let's check first. In answer figure 1, this design is absolutely not there, this can't be the answer. In the next option, whether this design is there, no, this is not there because this line is missing. should be this one. This line is missing, so this can't be the answer. In the next option 3, yes, this design is here. Outer design is available, so this could be the answer. So this could be the answer. Let's check the next figure also. Yes, this design is also available. So we have seen that answer 1 and answer 2 cannot be the right answers. So answer to the question number 26 is either 3 or 4. For that we need to see more design inside the problem figure. Let's check for this design. There is a straight line. On the left end of it there is a circle. So let's check whether this design is available in option 3 and option 4. In option 3, yes, on the left end there is a circle and there is a line. So this figure is matching. In case of next answer figure, that is answer figure 4, this design is not matching because this circle is on the right side of the line. So this can't be the answer. Now what answer we are left with? Only option 3. So option 3 is the only answer that we have now. Now that is the correct answer. Let's go to the next question. In the next question, question number 27, there is a problem figure given and there are 4 options given as answer figures. Let's check which of the answer figure is exactly similar to the problem figure. Let's see the problem figure carefully. There is a square in the outer side, inside which there is another square, and there is a W alphabet which is like this. So let's check. In option 1, outer design is okay, that is square. Can we see W here? No, we can see Z in place of W, so this can't be the answer. In the next option, yes, we can see a Z, so this could be the answer. In the next we can see Z, but it is up, it is kept other way round, so this can't be the answer. In the next, it is a Z, it should be a W kind of design, so this can't be the answer. Now what we are left with, only option 2. Option 2 is the answer for question number 27. Question number 28, there is a problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures. We need to check which of the answer figures is similar to the problem figure. Let's check the problem figure again. We find that the outer design is a circle and there are 4 equal parts to the circle with the help of 2 lines intersecting each other. Let's check for this part. There is equal sign. Let's check for equal sign in the answer figures. In option 1, yes, in this part equal sign is there. This could be the answer. In next answer figure, here should be equal, but here it is a minus sign, so this can't be the answer. In the next option, here it should be equal sign, but here it is a multiplication sign, so this can't be the answer. In the next option, it is a division sign in place of equal sign, so this also can't be the answer. So answer for question number 28 is 1. Let's do the next question. Question number 29, there is a problem figure given to which there are 4 answer figures. We need to find which of the answer figures is exactly same to the problem figure. So let's check the problem figure carefully. We see that the outer design of the problem figure is a triangle. On the top of the triangle there is a arrow which is passing through the triangle, inside which there is a black dot and there is a arc, and in other two corners there are two blank circles. So let's first take the arrow and check whether arrow is available in any of the answer figures. Let's go to answer figure 1. The arrow is yes available. In the next option also arrow is available. In the next option as well arrow is available, and in the last option also arrow is available, and it is exactly in the similar fashion as problem figure. So we can't find any difference on the basis of arrow alone. We need to check for more designs. Let's check for these two blank circles, these two circles in the corners, in this corner and in this corner. Let's check in option 1. Option 1, first corner, it is a blank circle, that is fine, exactly same as the problem figure. Let's check for the next corner. In the next corner, in problem figure it is a blank circle, here it is a black dot. So this is mismatching. So this one cannot be the answer. Let's check for the second option. In the second option, the first place should be a blank circle and the next also should be a blank circle, but here black dots have been given, so this cannot be the answer. In the next option, at the first corner there is a blank circle, but in the next corner there is a blank circle as well as there is another design given, so this cannot be the answer. So what option do we have now? Only option 4. So clearly we have answer for question number 29 as option 4. Question number 19. Problem figure is given and there are 4 answer figures given. Let's see the problem figure carefully and find what are the various designs in the given figure. We find here that there is a square which is divided into 4 parts, and there's one design kept in each of the part. We can see here in this part there is a circle. So let's check if this circle is available in any of the answer figures. Let's go to answer figure 1. We find that here circle is not there, some other design is there, so this cannot be the answer. Let's check in the answer number 2. Yes, this same design is there, this could be the answer. In the next answer figure we find that yes, the same design is here available, and similarly in the answer figure 4 the same design is here. So we can say that question number 1 is ruled out in here. Now let's check more. Opposite this design there's another similar design here. So let's check if this circular design is here. In the case of answer figure 1 the design is not the same, it is different. Anyway we have already rejected this answer, so let's go to answer 2. In answer 2, yes, the same design is here, so this could be the answer. In the next design, yes, same design is there, this could be the answer. In the next uh, answer figure answer figure number 4 the same design is here, so we can't find the answer with the help of this um, design. Let's check more designs. In problem figure at this place there is a cross sign, and in the opposite part also there is a cross sign. So let's check in answer number 2, 3 and 4 if this the same design is available. Let's go to answer figure 2. We find here this is not cross sign, it is a plus sign. Here also plus sign. This can't be the answer. So answer number 2 is rejected. Let's check in answer number 3. Here it is plus. It should be cross. Here it is cross. But here it is plus. So this can't be the answer. Here what is the option left out is only 4. And we find that in case of answer number 4, the designs are correctly available. So answer to question number 19 is clearly option 4. Now let's move on to the next question. In the next question, question number 20, there is a problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures given. We need to find which of the answer figure is exactly similar to the problem figure. Let's check the problem figure carefully. The problem figure is actually a triangle inside which there is another triangular shape, and there is a line from the corner here. It is actually passing through the triangle and reaching to this corner. So this is the whole design. Let's check. Let's go to answer 1. Let's first check whether the outer design, that is triangle, is same. This is fine. Let's check about the inner design. Whether the arrow starts from here. No, it is not starting from, it is starting from different corner. So this cannot be the answer. Let's check in answer number 2. Answer number 2, outer design is perfectly okay, but inside the design, it is the arrow is not starting from here. The line of the arrow is not starting from here. It is starting from elsewhere. This can't be the answer. In the next option, yes, the arrow is starting from this corner, and the triangle inside is also perfectly similar to the answer figure, question problem figure. So we find that so far 3 is resembling perfectly with the question problem figure 20. Now let's just suppose for the sake of formality we can go to answer figure 4. We find that in answer figure 4 this line is starting from elsewhere, so this can't be the answer. So clearly answer is answer 3 for question number 20. Now let's go to the next question, question number 21. There is a problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures given. We need to find which answer figure is similar to the problem figure in question number 21. Let's check the problem figure carefully. We find that there is a circle. Here there is a black dot. Here is a circular shape of the same size, and there is an arrow pointing towards the right side. Let's check in case of option 1. There is a circle, that is fine outside. Inside there is a dot in the this place. This is also fine. So this and this same. This circle and this circle is also same. Let's check about the arrow. This arrow in problem figure is pointing towards right hand side, whereas in case of answer 1 this is in the opposite direction. So this cannot be the answer. Let's check the option 2. In option 2 this first dot is same, second dot is also same, and the arrow is also same. So this is going to be our answer. Just for the sake of confirmation, let's check the other options as well. In case of option 3, the first figure here inside the circle should be black dot, but it is a blank circle, so this can't be the answer. Similarly, in case of next uh, answer figure, the arrow direction is same, but the places of these two design, circle and black dot, have changed, so this can't be the answer. So clearly answer for question number 21 is 2. Let's go to question number 30. In question number 30, there is a problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures given to this problem figure. We need to check which of the answer figures is exactly similar to the problem figure. So in question number 30, we can see that this design need to be exactly same in any of the answer figures. Let's check in answer figure 1. We can see that this design is exactly same. In option 2, this design is not the same. In option 3, this design is same as problem figure. In option 4, this design is not the same. So option 2 and option 4 cannot be the answer. So answer is either option 1 or option 3. So let's go to option 1, and before that let's go to the problem figure once again. We need to see this design, this straight line, end of which there are dark lines. So let's see in option 1. In option 1, yes, these dark lines are there. In option 3, these lines are not dark. This line, these two lines at the end of this horizontal line are not dark. So this cannot be the answer. 3 cannot be the answer. So option 1 is the correct answer. Let's go to the next question. In question number 31st, there is a problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures given. We need to check which of the answer figures is exactly same as the problem figure. What we can see in this problem figure is there is a formation of a triangle here. There is a formation of a triangle. Let's quickly check the formation of triangle, and we also note that inside the triangle there is no design, there is no line. It is completely a vacant uh, triangle. In option 1, yes, triangle is there, it is completely blank from inside. So this could be the answer. Let's check option 2. There is a triangle, but inside there is a design, there is a line. This can't be the answer. In the next option, option 3, there is a triangle formation, but inside that there is a line. This can't be the answer. In next option 4, we see there is a formation of triangle, but there is a design, there is a line inside, which can't be the answer. So option 1 is the correct answer for question number 31st. Let's go to the next question. In question number 32nd, we see a design, and we see a design in problem figure which needs to be similar to any one of the answer figures. So let's check carefully the design. We can see at the center there is a design and there is a line here. So let's check for this design in option 1. In option 1, the outer design is all right, but inside that there should be one straight line that is there, but there's extra 2 lines which are not there in the problem figure, so this can't be the answer. In option 2, yes, this design is exactly similar to the problem figure, so this could be the answer. Let's check in the option 3. Yes, this design is there, this also can be the answer. In option 4, this design is there, this also can be the answer. So far we can say that option 1 cannot be the answer. Answer has to be either 2, 3 or 4. So let's check further. We can see this curve and the another curve, and there are 2 lines joining the end of these 2 curves. Let's check in option 2. In option 2, yes, this is same, there are 2 lines, so option 2 looks like the answer. Now we can check option 3 as well, just for the sake of confirmation. We can see that this design is there, but there is extra curve here, an extra curve here they put. This is not there in the problem figure, it's not there. So answer 3 is ruled out. Let's check for answer 4. In answer 4, Yes, this design is same, this design is same, this design is same. So answer 4 looks like the answer, but what we can see here is that, so answer 2 looks exactly similar to the given problem figure. Question number 33. There is a problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures given. We need to check which of the answer figure is exactly same as the problem figure. So in question number 33, we can see that there is a design. There is a line at the end of which there are 2 lines, and the first design, here is a line, on one end of it there is a black dot, on other side there is a arrow mark. So let's check for this basic design first. In the option 1, yes, this line is basic line is same and the first design is exactly same. So this is okay by seeing this figure alone. Let's check in the next problem figure. Yes, this is fine. In the third it is not fine because directions of the direction of the arrow has been changed, so this ruled out. In the next, the direction of the line itself is, the orientation of, or the angle of the line itself is different, so this cannot be the answer. Now and answer is either first or second, because third and fourth cannot be the answer. So let's check further. Let's go to the next design. The next design is same as the design first at the previous design, but there's a change in the direction. So let's check. So this arrow should be upward and this dot should be on the lower side. Here we find that no, this is not the same, it is different. So option 1 is ruled out here. So what is the option left with us is only option 2. So option 2 is the correct answer for question number 33. Let's go to the next question. In question number 34, there is a problem figure given to which there are 4 answer figures. We need to check which of the answer figures is exactly same as the problem figure. So let's study the problem figure carefully. We see that there is a triangle formation here. There is a triangle formation on the right end of it. Down here there is a triangle formation and there is a triangle formation here as well. Okay, so let's check for these triangle formations. In option 1, yes, triangle formation is exactly same. Here also on the right side triangle formation is same. Here we see that triangle formation is not taking place, it is a square formation. So this cannot be the answer because here there is a mismatch. Let's check in the next option, that is answer 2. We see here there should be a triangle formation, but here it is a square formation, so straight away we can reject this answer. Let's go to the next answer figure. In this here triangle formation is exactly same as the problem figure. On the right side of it there is a triangle formation exactly same. Bottom here on the left side triangle formation exactly same as the problem figure, and on the right side in the bottom triangle formation exactly same as the problem figure. So third is the answer. Just for the sake of confirmation, we can check in option 4 as well. Here there is no triangle formation, it is a square formation, so this can never be the answer. So answer for question number 34 is 3. Let's go to question number 35. We have a problem figure in 35 and there are 4 answer figures given. We need to check which of the answer figures is exactly matching the problem figure. So let's check the problem figure carefully, we can see there is a triangle formation here, below which there is an arc like shape, a cylindrical shape getting formed. So let's check. In option 1, we can see that inside the triangle there are no parallel lines. So this is ruled out. In option 2, this triangle on upper side is same. Inside parallel lines are also same. But here in the cylindrical formation there is an extra design given. This design we are talking about, this design. It is not there in the problem figure, so this is also ruled out. In next option we can see that there is a triangle formation, but inside the triangle there are lines which are less in number compared to the lines in problem figure. These lines in option 3 are not close enough, or there are very few lines compared to lines in problem figure. So this cannot be the answer. What option do we have now? Option 4. Option 4 is the right answer for question number 35. Let's go to question number 36. In this question, we see that there is a problem figure given in which there is a triangular shape here, and there is one line which is given here. When we quickly see the answer figures, we see that option 1 cannot be the answer because this line and angle of this line is totally different. Similarly, when we see the option 4, also we see that the angle is not the same. So these two options are ruled out. Now let's go to option 2 and option 3 which are remaining. Here we see that angle is same in both the diagrams. Now we have to see the number of lines which are drawn inside. Let's count the number of lines in problem figure. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 5 lines inside the triangle. Let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 lines here. So we found the answer for question number 36 is 2. Now let's go to question number 37. In this question, this is the problem figure given. When we quickly see the options given, we see that option 1 is looking exactly similar to the problem figure. Just for the sake of confirmation, let's check the other options. Option 2 cannot be the answer because here the shape is different. Let's see option 3. In option 3, there are this shape is actually not the same here, and this is additional shape they have given, so this cannot be the answer. In the option number 4, we see that the shape is entirely different, so this cannot be the answer. So what we are left with is only option 1, and that is the confirmed answer for question number 37. Now let's go to question number 38. In this question there is a problem figure given. We need to find which of the options is similar. So let's see the option 1. In option 1, this portion is same, this basic shape is also same, and this particular line and two dots are same. So this looks like a similar figure. Just for the sake of confirmation, let's see the other options. Option 2 cannot be the answer because this line is extra. This is not available in problem figure. Let's check option 3. In option 3, this inside this diagram, this shape is not available in problem figure. This cannot be the answer. When we go to the next option, we see that this portion has been added extra. It is not available in the problem figure, so this cannot be the answer. So confirmed answer for question number 38 is
1.
Let's go to question number 39. There is a problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures given. In such questions, you can take any one of the portion and start comparing that with the given answers. Let's see this portion. Can we find this portion available here? No, because this line is missing here. This line is not there. So this cannot be the answer. Can we see this portion here? Yes, we can see. So temporarily we can accept this. Let's go to option 3. Yes, it is there. In option 4, yes, it is there. So in the first attempt we ruled out option 1. Now since we know that option 1 cannot be the answer, now let's see this shape, this reverse or inverse triangle. Let's see. In option 2 it is there exactly, so this we can take temporarily. In option 2 this triangle is there, but inside that additional line is given. This line is extra, so we can't take this as the correct answer. Now let's go to option 4. In option 4 this triangle is there, but we see above this triangle there's another shape which is not available in the problem figure, so this cannot be the answer. Since we know option 1 we ruled out in the beginning, option 3 also we ruled out, option 4 we ruled out, so what option we are left with is option 2. So answer for question number 39 is 2. Now let's go to question number 40. In this question also we can take one portion. Suppose we take this portion in the beginning and then check whether any of the problem figure has the same uh, portion available. If we pick this portion here, let's check that this is first is an arrow, this is fine. Second should be a dot, but it is not dot, it is arrow here, so this cannot be the answer. Now quickly check for this portion in the next option. The first one is arrow, fine. Second one should be dot here, it is again arrow, this cannot be the answer. Now let's go to option 3. In option 3 let's check for this portion. The first one is arrow, that is fine. The second one should be dot, that is fine, it is dot here. Third one should be arrow, okay. The fourth one should be dot and fifth one should be arrow. This looks like probable answer. Now let's move to option number 4. In option 4 let's check for this portion of the diagram. The first one is should be in the option in the problem figure. The first is arrow here, but here it is dot, this cannot be answer. So we are left with only one choice, which is option 3, and this is 100% correct answer for question number 40. Now what we see here is, in such questions of similar figure, we see the problem figure, we need not to even check the entire problem figure. We can pick a certain portion of the problem figure and start looking for this portion in the given options. By doing so, what we can do is actually we can eliminate certain options, and we find that in this process we are left with one answer, and that is going to be the correct answer. Let's go to question number 41. In this question there is a problem figure given and we need to find which of the answer figures is exactly similar to the problem figure. As we discussed in the last video, what we can
take in such question is we can take a certain portion and then look for similarity of the same portion in given answers. So let's go to answer 1, option 1, answer 1. We find that this portion is not similar, so this cannot be the answer. Let's go to the next option. In the next option, this portion that we see in the problem figure is not the same, so this cannot be the answer. In the next option, we see that this portion is exactly same as the problem figure. This we can accept for the moment. Now let's go to option 4. In option 4, if you look for this shape here, this is not exactly same, because here there's a dot here. Here in the problem figure there's no dot, so option 4 is ruled out. So we are left with option 3, which is going to be the correct answer. Now let's go to the question number 42. In this question also we can take a certain portion. So let's suppose we take this portion and check whether this portion is same in option 1. So let's check this portion. This arrow is there, that is fine. Here this line is exactly same, this portion is also same, and this portion is same, and this. So this looks like okay. In the next option, when we analyze this portion, we see this shape is different and this shape also different, so this cannot be the answer, so this is ruled out. In the next option, what we say, let's check for this portion itself. This arrow is fine, this line is also fine, this is fine, but here this is a circle and here it was arrow, so this also cannot be the answer. In the next option, again let's check for this area. This arrow is fine, this shape is fine, this shape is little different here, this is little different compared to this, because here in problem figure this is complete square, here it is square and then there are some further lines added to sides of the square, so this cannot be the answer. We are left with choice 1, which is the correct answer for question number 42. Now let's go to question number 43. Again we can check for some portion. Say let's check for this portion. In this portion we'll look for the similarity in this option, option 1. This part is exactly same, this portion is same, this portion is same, and this dot is there, so looks like okay. In the next option, when we see this portion, we see that there is a difference here. Here this is a triangular shape which is darkened, but here it is, there is no triangle in the problem figure, so option 2 cannot be the answer. Let's go to option 3. In option 3, let's check for this particular portion that we are seeing in the problem figure. Not exactly same, because here another triangle, one triangle has come darkened, but here there is no triangle, so this cannot be the answer. In the next option, we see that inside the diagram, that dot which was there in the problem figure here, it is not available here, this is not here, so option 4 also ruled out. So we are left with one choice, which is option 1, and that is our correct answer. So again we can see in such questions we need not to see the entire figure, problem figure, we can see a certain portion of that and look for similarity in the given options. So that is one of the fastest method of finding the correct answer. Let's go to question number 44. In this question there is a problem figure given and there are 4 options given. we need to find which of the answer figures is exactly similar to the given problem figure. What we can do in this question is we can select one of the portion in problem figure, and we need to check whether this portion is exactly available in the given answers. Let's go to answer 1. In first answer, let's check for this area. This is not similar because uh, this triangle, the triangle is not the same, so this cannot be the answer. Let's go to option 2. In this option, let's check for this area. In this answer 2, this area is not the similar because it is not darkened here. It was dark circle, it is not dark here, so this cannot be the answer. So let's go to option 3. In option 3, let's check for this area. Yes, this area is exactly similar to the area in problem figure, so temporarily we can accept this. Let's check the final answer, fourth answer. In this area, this portion is not available, so answer for question number 44 is 3. Let's go to question number 45. Problem figure given and there are 4 options given. We need to find which of the answer is similar to the given problem figure. Here let's check for this area. In option 1, this area is not same because it is dark in the answer, and here is in problem figure there are lines, so answer 1 cannot be the correct answer. Let's check for answer 2. In answer 2, yes, this is matching, so we can temporarily take this as correct answer. Let's go to the next answer. In this, the area, this portion is similar, so this also could be the answer. So let's check the fourth option. In the fourth option, this portion is not the same, so option 1 and option 4 are ruled out. They cannot be the answer, so answer is either 2 or option 3. So now let's check other from other angles. Let's check for this portion. Let's check for this portion. In option 2, this portion is not the same, it is different. But in option 3, this portion is exactly matching with the portion in problem figure, so this is the correct answer. Let's go to the next question, question number 46. Let's take this portion of the problem figure and see whether the same portion is available in answers. Let's go to answer 1 and check this area. This dot is there, same. This dot is also available similarly, it's fine. And this other parts also same, but here this is additional uh, uh, part is given in this given part, so this cannot be the answer because this rectangle is not available in the problem figure. So let's check in the option 2. In option 2, this dot is there, this another dot is there. Here there should be a dark circle, but here there is no dark circle, so this cannot be the answer. Let's check for this portion in option 3. This dot is available here as well as here. At this place also it's there, at this place also it is there, and this, so this is matching. Let's check for option 4. In option 4, this portion is also matching, so this, so answer is either 3 or 4. Let's check from another angle. Let's check for this area in option 3 and option 4. In option 3, at this corner, first corner, there is arrow, this is matching. The circle here is also matching, and the another arrow from another corner is also matching, so this is perfectly fine. But in case of option 4, this circle is dark circle, whereas in problem figure it was not dark circle. So option 3 is the correct answer for question number 46. Let's go to question number 47. In this question there is a problem figure given and there are 4 options given. Let's check which of the option is exactly similar to the given problem figure. We can check for this area in the beginning whether this area is available in the given answers. Let's check the answer number 1. We see this area is not available because the circle, this shape, basic shape is also different, can't be the answer. Let's check for the next option. In next option also the basic shape itself is different and this area doesn't exist. Next option, yes, this is available, and the next option also it is available. Now let's check for the other areas. Let's check for this remaining area whether this is available here. In option 3 it is available, yes, but in option 4 it is not the same because here it is curved, it was not curved in the problem figure. So answer for question number 47 is option 3. Let's go to the next question, question number 48. This is a problem figure given and there are 4 options given. Let's check whether any of the answer figure is exactly similar to the given problem figure. Let's check for this area first, whether this portion is available in the answer figures. Let's check in this. It is available, but here it is not curved. This portion is not curved. It was curved here in problem figure, but here it is not curved. It is straight line. Can't be answer. Let's check for option 2. This portion is exactly similar to the given portion in problem figure, so temporarily we can take this. Let's check for the option number 3. This portion is not the same because here it is again straight line, it is not curved like problem figure. This can't be the answer. Let's check option number 4. This portion is not the same because here the curved line should touch at the point here at this end of the rectangle, whereas in this case in option 4 it is touching on the other end of the other corner, another corner of the rectangle, so can't be the answer. Option 2 is the correct answer for option number 48. Let's go to the question number 49. Let's check for this portion. See, this basic shape in option 1 is not the same because see the orientation of this diagram itself, it is slant, whether this is standing. This can't be the answer. In the next option also this, the angle of the shape itself is not the same. In the next option, yes, this looks like the same, and if you closely look at the this portion is also the same, and option 4 is also is not the correct one because this orientation or the angle of the shape itself is different compared to the problem figure. So answer for question number 49 is 3. Let's go to question number 50. In this question there is a problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures given. We need to find which of the answer figures is exactly similar to the problem figure 50. Let's check for this side. There's one arrow which is pointing towards upside. Let's check whether this is available in the option given options. Option 1, yes, this is available, this could be the answer. In option 2 it is not available, it is in the other direction. In option 3 this is okay, this is fine, in this it is actually in upward only. In fourth option this is downward, it is in the wrong direction, can't be the answer. So either, so with first observation we can say that either option 1 is correct or option 3 is correct. Let's check for the other portion. Let's check for this arrow. This arrow is pointing towards left side. Let's check this in option 1. This is actually pointing in the other direction, opposite direction, can't be the answer. So we are left with only one option, which is option 3, and this is going to be the correct answer. So answer for question number 50 is option 3. Let's go to the next question, question number 51. This problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures given. We need to find which of the answer figure is exactly same or similar to the given problem figure. We see in the problem figure there's a circle, there's another circle inside that, and there is a figure given. Let's check in option 1, yes, this is exactly similar. In option 2 also it is looking like similar. In option 3 this is not the same because this angle at which these two circles are placed is not the same. Similarly in option 4 also this angle of these two circles is not the same. So option either 1 or 2 are correct. Let's check further. In case of option 1, the circles the size of the circles are same, whereas in case of option 2 the this size of the circles is not the same. So answer for question number 51 is 1. Now let's go to question number 52. In the problem figure, let's pick one of the portion here. Let's check whether this portion is there in the given answers. In option 1 this is not the same because in given problem figure it is a cross sign, multiplication sign, whereas in this option 1 is it is a equal to sign, so both are not same, so this can't be the answer. In the next option let's check for this portion. Let's compare this portion with the given problem figures portion, not the same because in answer 2 it is a plus sign, whereas in problem figure it was a multiplication sign, so this also not correct. Let's go to option 3. Let's check for this portion. This portion is exactly matching with the given problem figure, so temporarily we can accept this. Let's check for the fourth option. Yes, this portion is matching, so we can temporarily accept this. Let's check from another angle. Let's check this portion. This is plus sign, so let's check whether plus sign is available at this place. In option 3, yes, it is available. In option 4 it is not available because there's a equal to sign they have given, so option 3 is exactly similar to the given problem figure. Let's go to question number 53. In question number 53, there is a problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures given. We need to find which of the answer figure is exactly similar to the given problem figure. Let's pick one of the portion here and let's check whether this portion is exactly same in the given problem figures. In option 1, yes, it is similar. In option 2, it is not the same here. So option 2 is ruled out. Option 3, let's check. In option 3, this portion is not the same because here in option 3 there's another line drawn, whereas this line is missing in case of problem figure. So option 3 also cancelled out. In option 4, let's check for this portion. Yes, this portion is also again not the same because here there's a curve. Here there's no curve, it is a corner. So answer 1 is correct answer for question number 53. Let's go to the next question. Question number 54. There's a problem figure given and we need to find which of the answer figure is exactly similar to the given problem figure. Let's check for this portion. This portion is missing in case of option 1, so this can't be the answer. In option 2 it is missing, can't be the answer. In option 3 also it is missing, but in option 4 it is exactly available, same as the given problem figure. So answer for question number 54 is option number 4. Let's go to the next question, question number 55. This is the problem figure. Let's check for there is a circle in which there is a square, and inside the square there are shapes. So let's check whether these shapes are same available in any of the given answers. In answer 1, these shapes are exactly same as the given problem figure, but in option 2 only 3 shapes are there, can't be the answer. Option 3 also there are 3 shapes. Option 4 there are only 2 shapes given. So question number 55 has answer which is option 1.
Let's go to question number 65. We need to check for this portion in the answer figures. In this answer figure 1, this is missing. In option 2, yes, it is there, so we can take it at the moment. In option 3, it is missing, so we can't take it. In option 4, it's available, so we can take it for the moment. So option 1 and option 3 we have ruled out. So 1 and 3 we have ruled out. So let's check for option 2 and 4 again. Let's check from this angle, from this corner, from this corner, this portion, this corner. In option 2 and 3 we have to see, because 1 and 3 already ruled out. We have to see in option 2 and 4. In option 2, whether this portion is there. No, it is not there, because here it is dark circle. In problem figure it is a circle without any color. So option 3 is ruled out, option 2 is ruled out, option 1 is ruled out. Only option remaining is option 4. That is going to be the correct answer. Let's go to the subsequent question, which is question number 66. This is the problem figure given and there are 4 options given. We need to find which of the option is similar to the given problem figure. Let's check for this portion. At the center there is a straight line, there is another straight line. We need to check for this. It's available in option 1, it's fine. Is it available in next? No. So option 2 is ruled out. In option 3 it is there. Yes, it is there. We take it. In option 4 it is there, so we take it. So far what we have done is we have ruled out option 2. So let's check option 1 again from another angle. What we see outside is one line here which is straight line. This is another line which is a horizontal line, then another vertical line here at this corner, and at this corner there is a line which is horizontal line. So let's check in option 1. This line is same, this line is same, this line is also same. This matching. Option 1 is matching with the portions that we have seen in option and then the problem figure. So let's check in case of option 3. In option 3, no, this is a curved line. It's curved, it's not a straight line. Okay, so option 3 ruled out. Option 4 also ruled out, because again these 4 portions that we are seeing as the curve, not a straight line. So option 1 is the only option left, which is the correct option. Let's go to the next question, question number 67. We can see one problem figure and there are 4 options given. We need to be very careful about such questions, because here we need to keenly observe the differences. Let's check for this portion. This portion is not available in option 1. Option 1 cannot be the answer. Let's check this in option 2. Yes, it is there. So this could be one of the answer. Let's check for option 3. In option 3 this is missing, so this cannot be the answer. In option 4 it is again missing, can't be the answer. So straight away we got to know that the correct answer is option 2. Let's go to question number 56. In question number 56, there is a problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures given. We need to find which of the answer figure is exactly similar to the given problem figure. Let's check for this portion. This portion is similar. In the next option, this portion is again similar. In option 3, this is not the same. So we ruled out this answer. In next option, this also again not the same. So we cancelled out 3 and 4 options. And now we have option 1, option 2 which are left out. Let's check further. Let's check for this area. This is W. Is it available in option 1? No. So this also is cancelled out. Now we are left with only one answer, which is answer number 2, and there also we find that the exactly similar alphabet is available. So answer for question number 56 is option 2. Let's go to the next question, question number 57. Let's check for this particular portion. This portion is not available in option 1, so this is cancelled out. In option 2, this also is not the same, because in problem figure there are 3 dots, whereas in option 2 only 2 dots. So this also is a wrong option. Option 3, let's check. 3 dots are there which are similar to the given problem figure, so matching. Option 4 is not matching. So question number 57 answer is option 3. Let's go to the next question, question number 58. Let's check for this portion. This portion is exactly same to the given problem figures portion, whereas in case of option 2 this portion is not matching. In option 3 this is matching with the given problem figure,
In option 4 this is not matching. So option 2 and option 4 cannot be the answer. Answer is either one option and or option 3. Let's again check. So in option 1 it is exactly matching with the given problem figure. That's the reason answer for question number 58 is 1. Let's go to question number 59. In this question there is a problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures given. We need to find which of the answer figure is exactly similar to the given problem figure. So let's check for this portion. In this answer 1, this is same. In option 2 again matching. In option 3 it is not matching because here it is a triangle. In problem figure it was a circle. So option 3 is ruled out. Let's check for option 4. In option 4 it's matching. So option 3 is ruled out in the first effort. Let's check for option 1 again from different angle. Let's from this check from this portion. This portion is not matching in option 1. So option 1 also is ruled out. Let's check for option 2. This portion and this portion, if we compare, this option 2 is also not same. So option 2 also is ruled out. Now what option we have is option 4 only, which is going to be the correct answer. Let's go to the next question number 60. Let's check for this portion. In this answer 1 it is matching. In option 2 it is not matching. In option 3 it's not matching. In option 4 it is not matching. So answer for question number 60 is 1. Let's go to question number 61. Let's check for this portion. This portion is not matching in option 1. Option 1 is not correct answer. In option 2 it is matching. So possibly this could be one of the answer. Let's check next option, option 3. It is again matching. This also could be one of the option. Option 3, this portion is not matching. So option 1 and option 2 are ruled out. Option 1 cannot be the answer and option 4 cannot be the answer. Answer is either option 2 or option 3. Let's go to option 2. Let's check from this angle. This triangle is there. Let's check whether this triangle is available in option 2. This triangle is not the same. So option 2 is ruled out. Option 3 is the only option which is remaining. This is going to be the answer for question number 61. Let's go to question number 62. There's a problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures given. We need to find which of the answer figure is exactly same as the given problem figure. We see here in the problem figure there's one arrow at the center which is pointing towards right hand side. Let's check for this arrow in option 1. In option 1 this arrow is there, but on the others left hand side also there's another arrow, so this is not the correct option. In option 2 this arrow is correct, so this could be one of the answer. In option 3 this arrow is there at the center and pointing towards the right side also, so this also could be one of the answer. In option 4 this arrow is on both the sides. It should be only one side, on one side which is right hand side, so this also cannot be the answer.
Now we need to see carefully whether option 2 or option 3, any of the answer is correct. So let's check for this arrow, this first arrow which is pointing on the upward side. Let's check this. In this option 2 is correct. In option 3 this is correct. Let's check for this another arrow. This is pointing downward. In option 2 this is pointing downward, that is fine. In option 3 it is pointing upward, so this is incorrect. So option 2 is only correct answer. Let's go to the next question. In the next question, question number 63, let's check for the one of the portion here. Here we see this is toward left side, this is line is also turning towards left side. So let's check in option 1. This portion we need to check. This is on the left hand side, that is fine, but this is turning on the right hand side, so option 1 is wrong answer. Let's check for option 2. In option 2, yeah, this is matching with the this portion, at least this portion is matching with the given problem figure. Let's check for the next option. In option 3 this is not matching because the left this one of the side is correct, the other side is pointing on the right hand side, it should be on the left hand side itself. It's not matching. Option 4 is completely wrong because these lines are not the same as the problem figure. So now which option is available with us? Only option 2, which is going to be the correct answer. Let's go to the next question, question number 64. Let's check for this portion. Let's check whether this portion is available in the option 1. Yes, this is exactly same as the problem figure. Let's check this in option 2. It is not there, it's missing. In option 3, again this portion is missing. In option 4 also this portion is not exactly the same because this portion is alright, but here on the right hand side this portion is not the same. So option 1 is the correct answer. Let's go to question number 68. In this question there is a problem figure given and there are 4 options given. We need to see which of the option is exactly similar to the given problem figure. Let's see the problem figure. Let's check for this portion first. This portion is available in option 1. This portion is available in option 2, but here this line is not meeting the semicircle here, so this is ruled out. In option 2 this portion is not matching. In option 4 this portion is not matching because here this line is extra, so this option cannot be the correct. So option 1 is the only option which is going to be the correct option. Let's move on to the next question, question number 69. Let's take one of the corner and check whether this corner is available in any of the answer figures. In option 1 this is not matching because in problem figure the portion it has a triangle which is not colored, but in case of option 1 is colored, it is black color, cannot be the answer. In option 2 this portion is matching, so we can temporarily take it. In case of option 3 this portion is matching, so we accept this for the moment. In option 4 it is matching, so we take this also. So option 1 is ruled out in first attempt. Let's check from some other angle. Let's check from this perspective, this corner. There's a star and this line, two lines are meeting at a corner. So let's check. Yes, this is available exactly in option 2. In option 3, yes, it is available in this option also. In option 4, it is not available. So option 4 also we have eliminated now. Now we are left with option 2 and option 3. Let's check further. Let's check this portion in the middle. There is a circle. Let's check whether this circle is available in option 2 and option 3. In option 2, let's check first. In option 2, the circle is available. Fine. So option 2 is okay. In option 3, also the circle is available here. So this is also fine. So we are unable to find. So we need to analyze further. So let's check for this portion, this rectangle at the corner, whether this is available in option 2. In option 2, it is yes, exactly available. So option 2 is fine, but in option 3, we say we can find yes, this is also available. So in option 2 and 3, it is available. So we need to go further. Let's check for this corner. In option 2, this corner is not exactly similar because here this one dot which is missing here. In option 3 also this dot is missing. So we can say that option 3 is the correct answer. Let's go to the next question. Question number 70. This problem figure is given and there are 4 answer figures given. We need to be very careful about such questions because it's little difficult to find the difference. So let's check carefully. Let's check for this portion. This portion, let's check for this portion. In option 1, this portion is not same because it is colored here. It is not colored in problem figure. So option 1 is cancelled out. In option 2, yes, this is matching. This portion is matching. So this we can take it at for the moment. In the next option, this is not matching because here there should be two parallel lines as same as in the given problem figure, but it is so this is missing here. So option 3 is rolled out. Option 4 looks fine. So option 1 and option 3 are cancelled out, and option 2 and 4 we need to see carefully. So let's check from this angle. We need to check from this angle. Let's straight away go to option 2. Yes, this is matching. In option 4, this is not matching because here it is colored. It is not colored in problem figure. So option 3, option 2 is also ruled out. Option 4 is ruled out, so option 2 is the correct answer. Yeah. Let's go to question number 71. Let's check for this portion. This portion is yes available in option 1. In option 2, this is not available. So option 2 is ruled out. Let's check for option 3. This portion and this portion are not matching. So option 3 also cancelled out. Option 4, it is matching. So 1 and 4 could be the answer. Let's check further. Let's check for this portion. This portion. In option 1, this portion is not matching. So obviously it is going to match in option 4 now. Yeah, in option 4 it is matching. So option 4 is the correct answer. Let's go to the next question. Question number 72. Let's check for this portion in the middle. Is this available in option 1? Yes, available. Is it available in option 2? No, it is not available because in option 2 it is a rectangular shape. So option 2 is gone. Let's check in option 3 it's available. Yes. In option 4 it's available. Yes. So 1, 3, 4 could be the answer. Let's check further. Let's check from this angle. From this corner, this and this 4 corners. In option 1 these 4 corners are matching. In option 3 these corners are not available. So option 3 is ruled out. In option 4 these corners are not matching because here this line is straight. In problem figure it is curved. So option 4 is also ruled out. Option 1 is the only option which is correct option. Let's go to the next question. Question number 73. Let's check for this portion. In option 1 this is not matching because here in there's extra line given. In option 2 this portion is not matching because again extra line is given. In option 3 this portion is matching. In option 4 this portion is not matching because here outside the triangle there's another line which is extra line. So option 3 is the only correct answer. Let's go to question number 74. We need to find which of the answer figures is exactly similar to the given problem figure. Let's check for this portion. This portion is yes available in option 1. Is it available in option 2? No, it is not there, it is missing. So option 2 is cancelled out. Option 3 it's missing because this arrow is missing. Option 3 also ruled out. Option 4 yes it is available. So answer is either option 1 or option 4. Let's check further. Let's check from this corner. Is it in, so we need to check in option 1. This corner is matching. No, this is not matching. So what option is left? That is fourth. Fourth is the correct answer. Let's go to the next question. Question number 75. We need to be careful in this question because it is little confusing because there are arrows with certain directions. You need to check the directions and the dots and other things carefully. So let's check from one portion. Let's check from this portion. This is arrow, this is dot, there's another dot. Yes, let's check in option 1. So this arrow matching, this dot matching, this dot and this dot matching. So we take it. In the next option let's check, arrow is there, is matching dot and dot matching, this also matching. In option 3 let's check. Here let's check, this arrow both are matching. Here in problem figure this is a dot but here it is arrow, so mismatch. Third cannot be the answer. Let's check fourth one. The first one is arrow, that is arrow is matching this dot and this dot, both all are matching. So in first attempt option 3 is rolled out. Now check from some other perspective. Let's check from this angle. There was one dot followed by one arrow. So let's check. Here only one arrow is there, the other one is missing. So option 1 is ruled out. Option 3 is ruled out, 1 is ruled out. Let's check for option 2. In option 2, let's check for this portion. This portion, there are two arrows here, but in problem figure there should be one. There's one dot and one arrow. Here both arrows are there, so option 2 is wrong. Now we know that third option, first option and second option already ruled out, so what is remaining is option 4. That is automatically going to be the correct answer. Let's go to the next question, question number 76. There is one problem figure given and there are four answer figures given. We need to check which of the option is correct. Let's check for the tail, this portion. It is pointing on the right side. Here it is mismatch. Here it is on the left side, it should be on the right side. So this portion doesn't have any tail. This portion, yes, it has tail and this is matching. In this case, this portion has tail, but it is not upward, it is going downward side. So option 3 is the correct option, which is the answer. Let's go to question number 77. Let's check for this portion. Is it available in option 1? Yes, it is there. In option 2, it's there. In option 3, it's there. In option 4, also it's there. Let's check for this portion. It's available in option 1. It's available in option 2. It's available in option. It's not available in option 3 because it is on the other side. So option 3 is ruled out. In option 4, it is there. So 1, 2 or 4 could be the answer. Let's check further. Let's check from this angle. Is it available in option 1? No, it is on the other side in option 1. So option 1 also is ruled out. Let's check in option 2 now. In option 2, this portion is there, yes. In option 4, let's check. In option 4 is there. So 2 and 4 could be the answer. Let's check further from this angle. So we'll go to option 2 straight away and check whether this, yes, this is exactly same. In option 4, no, this is wrong in option 4 because in the downward side, in option, in problem figure it is on upward side. So option 2 is the only correct answer. Let's go to question number 78. Let's check for this portion, this arrow mark which is on the left side. Is it available? No, it is not available in option 1. In option 2, it's not available here. In option 3, here it is not available. In option 4, it is available here. So automatically option 4 is going to be the answer. Let's go to the next question, question number 79. Let's check for this portion alone. Is this portion available here? Yes, available. In this option, option 2, it's available. No, because see this arc and see this arc, both are not same. In option 3, here it's missing, nothing is there. In option 4, here it's not there. So option 1 is the correct answer for this question. Let's go to question number 80, and we need to check which of the answer figures is exactly same as the problem figure. So let's check for, say, this portion. This portion is not matching because it is colored, it was not colored here. So option 1 is wrong. Let's check for option 2. this portion we are checking. This portion is not the same. If we see this portion and this portion, there's a difference. So option 2 is ruled out. Let's check for option 3 now. In option 3, let's check for this. Yes, it is matching. In option 4, this is not matching because this rectangle is up on upper side, whereas in problem figure it is on the downward side. So option 3 is correct, option 4 is ruled out because this is mismatching. So option 3 is the correct answer. Let's go to the next question. Question number 81. Let's check for this portion. Say this portion we need to check. So in this portion 1, 2, 3 and 4 lines are there. So let's check. Let's check in this option 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 lines are there and it is looking like similar. So 1 is looking similar. In option 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 lines are there. It's also looking similar. In option 3, let's check for this portion. This is mismatch because these lines are slant, whereas these are perfectly horizontal straight lines. So option 3 is ruled out. Let's check for option 4. Option 4, this portion is total mismatch because these lines are, the horizontal lines are missing in option 4. So option 4 is ruled out. Either 1 or 2 is correct. So let's check in 1 and 2 again. In given problem figure, the first line is there. So let's check. See this circle in option 1 and in option 2. In option 2, this circle is matching, whereas this is kind of oval shape in case of option 1. So option 1 is ruled out. Option 2 is the correct answer. Let's go to the next question and let's check for this portion carefully. In option 1, this portion is mismatching, not the same. In option 2, this portion is not matching. In option 3, this portion is not matching. In option 4, yes, this portion is matching. So option 4 is the correct answer. Let's go to question number 83. There is a problem figure given and there are 4 answers figure given. We need to find which of the answer figures is exactly similar to the given problem figure. Let's check this portion first. This portion is not same, so option 1 is cancelled. Let's check in option 2. This portion is alright. In option 3, this option is available. In option 4, this portion is different. So option 2 and option 4 are ruled out. Now let's check in case of option 2 and 3. Let's check from another angle. Let's check from this side. Is it available in second? Yes, it is available in the same manner. Is it available in third? Yes, it is available. So we can't really differentiate. Let's check from this angle. In second figure, yes, it is available. In third also it is available. Check from this angle. In second, yes, it is there. In fourth, in third also it's there. So we can't differentiate. Now let's check second and third. This area we need to see now. Is it available in second? No, it is different. Second is ruled out. Now only option left out is 3. Yes, 3 is the correct answer because this area also is matching in. Let's go to the next question. Let's check for this portion. This portion should be same in the next option. Is it same? No, because this from here and this both are different. So option 1 is not correct. Let's check for option 2. Yeah, it is again it is not the same because it should come from here and then take a turn in this. Second option is also not correct. Let's check for third option. Yes, third option is it exactly matching. In fourth option it's not matching. So option 3 is the correct answer. Let's go to the next question. Let's check for this portion. Is it available here? No, it is not available. Is it available here? No, it is different. Is it available here? No, it is also not matching with the portion in problem figure. Now what option we have is option 4, that is going to be the answer. By the way, in option 4 it is perfectly matching. Let's go to question number 86. We need to check which of the answer figures is exactly similar to the given problem figure. Let's check for this portion first. This portion is not similar because here this line is extra. It is not available in problem figure. So option 1 is rejected. Let's go to option 2. Let's check for this area. It's matching. Let's check in option 3. This area is not matching because this line is here. It is not available in the problem figure. So option 3 is rejected. Let's check for option 4. Oh, in option 4 it is available. So we can take it for the moment. Now let's get back to problem figure and let's check for this portion. There should be one dot here and there should be one circle. So let's go to question number 2. Option number 2, sorry. Here let's check for this portion. This portion is exactly same as the portion in the problem figure. So option 2 is the correct answer. Just for the sake of confirmation, let's check for option number 4. In option number 4, this portion is not matching because the places for circle and dot have been interchanged. So option 2 is the correct answer. Let's go to question number 87. Let's check for this portion. This portion is missing in option 1. Let's check for option 2. This portion. This portion in problem figure and in this option number 2 is not the same. Let's check for option 3. In option 3, this portion and this portion in option 3, if we compare, they are not same. So third option is rejected. Automatically fourth option is going to be the answer. Let's check option 4 by the way. Yes, we got the answer right. So option 4 is the correct answer. Let's go to question number 88. Let's check for this portion. This portion is not the same in question 1. This portion is not there in option 2 also. Let's check for option 3. This portion is not there in option 3. So automatically option 4 is going to be the answer. Just for the sake of confirmation, let's check. Yes, it is exactly available in option 4. So option 4 is going to be the answer. Let's go to question number 89. There is a problem figure given and there are 4 options given. We need to find which of the option is exactly similar to the given problem figure. Let's check for this portion. In option 1, this portion is not same because the circle is same, but here this portion is not the same. So option 1 is rejected. Let's check for option 2. Option 2, we have to see this area. Here is circle, it should be circle, here it is triangle. So option 2 is also rejected. Let's check for option 3. This area, it's matching. So option 3 looks like okay. Let's check for option 4. In option 4, this area is again not matching because at the first place it should be circle, it is a square here. So fourth option is rejected. So answer for question number 89 is 3. Let's go to question number 90. Let's check which of the answer figure is similar to the given problem figure. Let's check for this portion. Let's check for this portion. It is not the same because this T is not available here. So option 1 is rejected. Let's check for option 2. In option 2, let's check for this area. This is fine, this is same, this looks like correct answer. Just check third option as well. Third option is totally different, not the same. Fourth option, let's check, is also totally different because this portion is not same. So option second is the correct answer. Let's go to question number 91. Let's check for this inside diagram. Is it same in option 1? Let's check. At the first place circle, it is a triangle here, so not correct. Let's check option 2. This portion and this portion. First place they should be circle. Here it is a triangle. It is incorrect. Let's check option 3. In option 3, yes, both the circles are there and one triangle is below that. So option 3 is the correct answer. Just for sake of confirmation, let's check option 4 as well. Is not the same. So option 3 is the correct answer. Let's go to question number 92. There is a problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures given. We need to find which of the answer is exactly matching with the problem figure. So let's check. We see that in the problem figure at the corners there are 4 corners are there and 4 circles are there. So let's check for these circles in the corners. In option 1 is there, in option 2 is there, in option 3 4 corners has got 4 circles. In option 4 the corner doesn't have a circle is missing. So option 4 is rejected. Let's check in option 1. If we look at the problem figure again, we see that 1 2 3 and 4 5, there are 5 lines. In option 1 1 2 3 4, only 4 lines. In option 2 1 2, 3, 4, 5 lines are there. In option 3, 1, 2, 3, only 4 lines are there. So answer for question number 92 is 5. Let's go to question number 93. There's a problem figure given and there are 4 answer figures given. We need to check which of the answer figure is exactly similar to the problem figure. Let's check for this portion. This portion should match. It's not matching because at this place this is circle, at this place it is square. So option 1 is rejected. Let's check in option 2. This portion we are checking. There's one circle here, another circle here. Similarly here one circle, another circle. So this is matching. Option 3, let's check. Again it is matching with the portion in problem figure. Let's check for option 4. It's not matching because there should be 2 circles. Here it is a square. So option 1, option 4 and option 1 both are rejected. Now we need to check in option 2 and in option 3. Let's check from this portion. There should be one circle, another square. So let's check in option 2. This portion we are checking now. One circle and the square, this is matching. Second is matching. Let's check option 3 as well. In option 3 this portion is not matching because at the second place here it should be a square as per the problem figure, but it is a circle here. So option 2 is the correct answer. Let's go to question number 94. Let's check for this portion. Not matching. This portion again not matching. This portion not matching. Let's check in this option, it's matching. In this it's not matching because this is dark. So option 3 is the correct answer. Let's go to question number 95. There is a problem figure given and there are 4 alternatives given, which need to find which of the alternative is correct match for the problem figure. Let's check for this portion at the center. This portion at the center is not matching in option 1. This portion is not matching because this line is not available in problem figure. This is matching, option 3 is matching, and this portion not matching because the direction of arrow is reverse. So option 3 is the correct answer. Let's go to question number 96. Let's check for this portion. It is, let's check for this portion. This portion is not matching. Here this portion is matching. In this option 3 is not matching. Option 4 not matching. So option 2 is the correct answer. Let's go to question number 97. Let's check for this portion. This is perfectly matching. This, let's check here. is not matching because here this is missing and this is extra. Let's check in option 3. This is again total mismatch because this is not the same. Let's check in option 4. This is matching. So option 2 and option 3 both are rejected. Option 1 and 4 we need to check again. Let's check the other part. Let's check this part, right hand side part. Let's go to question number 1. We are checking this right side portion. This is not the same. This is a cross sign, this is a plus sign in problem figures mismatch. So now we have rejected 3 options. Option 4 is automatically the right answer. Just for the sake of confirmation, we can check it. When we go to option 4, we are finding the right hand side portion is exactly same as the portion in problem figure. Let's go to question number 98. Let's check this half portion. This is matching. In option 2, this half portion is not matching because this is extra line. Let's check for option 3. In option 3, this is not matching. Option 4, this half portion is not matching. Option 1 is the correct answer. Let's go to question number 99. Let's check for this portion. This portion is similar. This portion is similar to problem figure. This portion is not same because this dark circle and blank circle, these are interchanged. In this also, these two geometrical figures, circles, dark circle and blank circle, are interchanged. So option 1 or 2 could be correct options. Let's check one of the options is correct answer. Let's check for this remaining portion which is an arrow. This is on the right side in case of problem figure. So in let's check in option 1, it is in the other direction, so it is wrong. Now we are left with only one choice, which is option number 2, in which this portion is also same. So option 2 is the correct answer. So we can see that in questions related to similar figure, we can compare certain portion of problem figure with each of the answer figures and eliminate some of the options. If we don't eliminate sufficient options in first attempt, we can make another attempt and the other portion we can take up and then keep comparing the second portion with the remaining with the portions in the remaining options, and we can reach out to the answer very easily.